How to sell a used vibratory roller. When it comes to selling a used vibratory roller, the best place to do this is on Truck and Trailer. It's advised that as much information is given as possible about the unit being sold, and information pertaining to the following points will go a long way in helping you to sell your vibratory roller. Sellers must provide all the basic listing information relating to application, make, model, price, hours of operation, and year. When it comes to providing a detailed description of the unit, sellers should explain the reason for the sale of the vibratory roller, provide information regarding its past working life, detail its current working condition with reference to the condition of the drums, the engine and its components, where applicable, the condition of the tires and tread or tracks, the integrity of the frame, steering and controls, and finally, the hours of use. Providing this information to your potential buyer will go a long way in assisting them to make an informed buying decision and an easier sales process for the seller. Sell your trucks, machinery, and equipment on Truck and Trailer, South Africa's leading commercial marketplace for trucks, machinery, and equipment.